welcome to the Donna Show 2.0, that is season 2. Well, we have all the ladies this season, and I will be interviewing all the DJs from my fraternity. And today we have a very special guest, as usual. Well, let me introduce her in my way. Well, she's a girl with immense fire in her, which I know for sure. She has performed in 16 countries repeatedly, and wow, that's some achievement. She's won multiple awards, featured in international radio shows, and holds the highest number of national and international media coverages in her 11 years career span. Well, wow. She has made 25,000 plus people dance to her tunes. That is an achievement for sure. Performed alongside big names like Salim Suleiman, Yo-Yo Honey Singh, Farhan Akhtar, Mika, Niti Mohan, and many more. Well, not just this, she is also a student of astrology, tarot card reading, and she's a student of psychology. Wow. Well, she is none other than the very famous, the very beautiful DJ Kamya. Well, we have Kamya finally. How are you, Kamya?
Very well. How are you? Let me just fix my camera. Am I
Yeah,
visible now?
sure. Yes, you are visible. Very much.
So
How
how
are
are
you
you doing?
doing, Kamya?
Very
It's
well.
been a
Thank you.
while. It's been a while that I've seen all of you.
I think
What
it's
have
been a
you been
while
up
with
to?
all of us.
Yeah, I know exactly. How have you been up to? What have you been up to these days?
A lot of things, Donna. Don't ask. A lot of things.
Well, this is a show for me to ask you all those questions.
So I think I'll answer the questions once you ask. But there has been a lot going,
Right.
and I'm happy that there's a lot going.
Hmm.
So yeah, lots to tell.
Wow. We're gonna dive in right away. So, Kamya, tell me something about your journey. Let's say we go 10 years back to before you started your your journey as a DJ, or probably as after you've crossed your teenager. Let's talk about your teenage a little bit. What did you aspire
I
to
was
be
a
when you were a
rebel.
teenager?
I was a complete rebel as a teenager. Like, I would not listen to anybody and do whatever I thought was right. And
Right,
um, and I think that streak is still there in me, that I am a rebel. I will do what I want to do. So I think
right.
it worked in my favor. Being a rebel, it really worked in my favor.
Mm-hmm.
It definitely taught me a lot of things. You stumble, you fumble, but then being a rebel, it sometimes really works. So it really worked for me a lot.
Correct.
And, I,
But
and, I'm, and
what
I'm
did
happy
you?
that I was a rebel.
Right. So, what did you aspire to be when you were a little child? I mean, when you were a teenager, we all have dreams of becoming something. So, what was that? What did Kamya want to be?
Donna, as a child or as a teenager, I never thought what I wanted to be, but I always imagined myself being popular on stage. I
All
didn't
right,
know if I'm gonna be a DJ or an artist, but I
right,
always, as a child, I was a very participating child. Whether it's my extracurricular activities in school or birthday parties, I would be the one to dance and all that. So I think I always imagined myself as the center of attraction. I
attraction.
would,
I think,
I use
I
that
have a
phrase.
feeling that's kind of with most of the Pisceans, I think. Like, even if, since you're into astrology, I mean, you probably can,
Yeah.
that even if we don't want to kind of be the center of attraction, we kind of end up being one of them, you know?
Well, the party doesn't
The
start
party
until I
starts.
walk in. Yeah, so it
Correct,
was like that.
correct. Right. Very nice. So, what made you want to become a DJ? Why DJing?
Why a DJ? Because first, never thought that I'm gonna be a DJ.
Hmm.
Second thing, yes, I used to be a party girl and I used to party a lot and I still love partying.
Right.
And so many friends who were DJs and club owners, and I would just get fascinated looking at those equipments and console, and it would just every time I would go there, it would just attract me. I would go to the console, the DJ, and मेरे को बता देना कैसे करते हैं, please. So then one of my friends who was a DJ is no more, so he told me that Kamya, you have that thing in you to be a DJ. And I
Right.
said, really? And I learned it in Delhi in 2006. six
Oh
or seven.
wow. Wow.
Yeah, and then on 100S, and then I gave it a break. Then I went to Mumbai, learn from DJ Nasha. So there was DJ Nasha's academy. Then there was no looking back, and I was like, okay, let's do it. I know I can do it. I've always
Why
been like
not?
this person, Monu, that I know I can do it. I'll do it. It doesn't matter whether it has been my dream or not. If I can do it, why not?
Why not? Why not give it a try? Exactly, exactly.
Yes.
So,
Exactly.
have you had a mentor as such, who kind of pushed you, who saw that gist in you, who thought probably, what, Kamya is suitable for being a DJ, so why not give it a try? So, did you have any such person in your life?
I don't think I had a mentor. No, there was no mentorship. Yes, there were teachers instructors who taught me in the academy. But
Right.
as far as mentorship is concerned, mentor is somebody who has really uh, guided you all the way and all that. So I don't think there was any mentor, and I think I was my own mentor.
I think you've done a pretty good job at doing that, like just being on your own. So when did
Thank
the
you.
bright light kind of go on, like अब मुझे ये करना है, no, irrespective, अब मुझे इसको आगे लेके जाना है, like when did that come?
Donna, with me, one thing is there. Once I am into it, I am into it.
Right.
Then there is no looking back. Then I'll just keep doing it, doing it, doing it. And most importantly, I was really enjoying what I was doing.
Correct.
I really enjoyed each and every moment of me being a DJ on console performing. I think my mind was like that it just wanted all of that. It just loved those lights and glamour and music and crowd. And since I told you that I wanted to be the center of attention, attraction. So I became one. I think I was meant for that, and I became one.
Right. So, Kamya, DJing and astrology and psychology and tarot card, I mean, these are like a very vast differences, you know?
Totally diversified,
Matlab,
totally opposite.
I mean, car spirituality, car clubbing, there is no balancing act in either of them. Why, and when did you think about becoming a tarot card reader or an astrologer? From where did that love for stars? कहाँ से आए?
Well, the first thing to address is you said balance. There is no balance. There is actually, if you see, it is balance. I am a party girl. I am a DJ. I'm spiritual. Like I believe in my spirituality. I'm learning psychology, which is totally scientific. That does not believe in astrology, and I'm learning astrology that collides with science. So I think
No,
I am the one who's maintaining the balance.
no. When I say there's no balance, I mean there is. So I think in India we still have that thing that party matlab daru this that. I mean, I remember when I used to go clubbing, for me it meant only dancing. For me it was all about dancing. But people, when they think about nightclubs, it's like, oh, daru, ladke, ladkiya, this, that. It's not really taken in a very positive stride yet. So that's where I come, like that's where I'm asking you, like, how these two, where there's partying
Being
and
a
then
D
there is
because
spirituality.
uh, because being a DJ is a part of my life. It is not
Correct,
my complete life.
correct,
And
correct.
b- DJing has taken only 11 years. I have come from a background where people are very simple and they are God fearing, and I also have been the one who would always God fearing. I used to, not that I used to sit in mandir or puja all the time, but I had my fair belief
Belief
in
in within
spirituality.
yourself. Yeah,
And I think with time, it kept increasing, increasing, increasing. And come to think about it, music is also healing. I'm a healer
correct.
otherwise also. So these kind of things where I can cater to people in some
Right.
or the other way through my skills, whether it's astrology or psychology or music,
Mm-hmm.
because you're giving something to the society.
Correct.
So I'm glad that I have diversified myself into so many channels. Uh, Psychology, if you come to talk about it, psychology is totally detest astrology,
Right.
and astrology does not detest anything. It just
Anything.
It is existent. So it's quite a it's really I would say interesting, really interesting to know all the other side, both the sides. Like
But
if
were
you're a
you
scientist,
right? Right. Go
yeah.
on. Go on. Go on. Go on.
So a scientist would not know what astrology is. He would not. He would simply disapprove the existence of astrology. So I am learning the scientific part also, and I'm learning the astrological part also. So I believe in the existence of both because they both
Both.
are
Right.
not different. They're just exclusive. So
Correct.
that's right.
But did you have that knack for astrology and everything else before you became a DJ, or was it after
Oh,
and
since my
gradually?
childhood, I used to open newspaper and read my sun sign and horoscope. I used to like it used to excite me so much, and then those Linda Goodman and Bejan Daruwala, I have during our college days, school days, I have
Yeah,
really
yeah,
piled on
I
it.
think we all used to do that. I mean, back in school, आज क्या लिखा
Yeah,
है?
yeah, aaj kya likha hai? And then later on, I started following a lot of English astrologers, and it's not just horoscope. It's a lot of calculation, by the way, Donna. It's a
Right,
lot of mathematics
right,
involved in
right.
it. You have to notice the degree of the planet from geocentric viewpoint. So it's quite a
Vast
task.
subject.
It's a never ending system, never
Correct,
ending.
correct. And
Yes.
I think there is a side of me that wants to kind of believe, yet there's a side of me that kind of has my doubts because I know the sun, the moon, the stars, they exist. You know, there is no going back on that. And the whole world. I mean, this exists. So it's
Yeah.
all a part of it. So how long has it been that you've been studying astrology?
I like I said, my DJing also I started and then quit a bit and then took a break and then started. And
Right,
astrology also I used to not learn but read a
right,
lot about it, and then
right,
I took a break. And then suddenly before this pandemic and all, before pandemic, I started both the things. I started psychology and I started astrology, and you can say almost 2.5, 3 years it has been that I have been seriously working on it.
right. So tell me, Kamya, let's getting back to DJing bit.
Say
Did you
hi
have
to
any?
audience. Hi, Barka. Hi,
Hi,
Angel.
Barka. Hi,
Um,
Angel. We'll come back to that though. Hi, hi, little bit.
Neil.
All right. So, tell me, did you have an early influence in your life where DJing is concerned before you became a DJ? Were there any early
What
influence? Was there any early influence in your life?
early influence? Yeah, I was always this. I was my own influence. I'm telling you, Donna. I have even as a child in my colony, if there was a birthday, I used to be the first one, to be excited about it. And on my birthday, even if my parents are not celebrating, I would call everybody home and there is a party, and my mother the next day I would get that you have married us. And I have been like that. I think this thing has really attracted me since childhood. The
Right,
the music, the participation, activities, and all that. So it has
right,
really attracted me, and I
right,
think this
right,
is what was the main influence for me to become who I am.
right. But Kamya, did you ever have any self-doubts? Never. Wow.
I
I
still don't
mean,
have any self.
wow, wow, that's great. Wow. So, do you have any support from somebody, any due credit that you would probably want to give on this show to someone who's just been there for you like a rock, and never required anything back from you?
As far as professionally concerned, I can't say that somebody has been with me and been with me like a rock, but I would say my own family has been standing by me through thick and thin, and they have seen how I started. And earlier they did not understand much about it, but later on when they saw that
Yeah,
their daughter was coming in the newspapers and everything, they started understanding. Okay, so she's
right.
doing good. Whatever she's doing, she's doing good.
Right, right.
And
Okay.
most importantly, they never interfered. They never intervened or interfered with what I was doing.
They just let you be, like make your own mistakes, find out whatever you want to be in life.
in my family, Donna, every woman is independent, every woman is working, and every member of the family has a mind of their own. We are
Wow.
together, all of us are together,
Yet
but
apart.
everybody has a mind of their, and nobody can interfere in each other's business until unless it's really
Really
required.
required. Yeah, right, right,
That
right,
kind of freedom I have got in my family.
right, right.
Yeah.
Kamya, any new projects that you're working on? Something, during the lockdown that you've kind of thought of, or anything new that you've started off?
Yeah, I have recently released the teaser of an album. It's called Mini Bombs. So
Right,
since I have been working on it since quite a while, so what happens is we DJs come out with an album, where we have 10 tracks or 8 tracks, and we have to, give it long hours to finish and months to finish. So I thought, why not come out with an album? An album is an album, I thought if I come out with 3 tracks in collaboration with the new artists, that
right.
would definitely give a platform to new artists to be featured, and not just by one collaboration. The whole album is dedicated to one artist only. Like the first album is coming out with DJ Shavers, very talented kid from
Yeah, I
Bhopal.
have, yeah, I have
Yeah,
done a
and the
gig
mixes
track
are
for them.
really
Yeah,
nice. And then I thought, why not just dedicate one album to one artist? He will also get the exposure, and probably this is my way to give it back to the
give it
community.
back to the community. Right.
It has given me a lot, and since I don't produce, as I mentioned earlier, I would definitely want to feature these artists who actually do not have the right channel to go
Right.
up, or to, it will take long time for them. So why not? If they can go ahead through my medium, I think my
I
contribution.
think it's a good initiative. I have it's a
Thank you.
very good initiative, right? Right. So
The
congratulations, though,
purpose of this,
and good
the
luck.
purpose of this initiative is only and only to support the next generation of artists that is coming.
Correct.
It has no self purpose or something. No, it is only meant to support the other artists.
Correct, correct.
Yeah.
Kame, talking about mental health, it's been a taboo forever. People talking about such a subject, such a sensitive subject, has been a taboo for like forever. Do you have anything that you want to share with us? Any one of your experiences that, probably will help the next generation, rather, or rather, whoever is online, to kind of overcome their own?
See, mental health, it the the problems of mental health can happen at any age, depending upon what kind of childhood a person has had and what are the
Right.
underlying fears people have had. But let me tell you just one thing. What message I want to give to my generation to come is, it happens. It will happen at every point in life. Just don't be scared of it. Depression is like a blessing in disguise. It will make you face your fears. It will make you stand right in front of your own self and see your dark side, your fears. Where are you lacking? Where are you being overconfident? Where did you underestimate yourself, and where did you overestimate yourself? I think depression tells you who you are. So instead of thinking, oh my god, mujhe depression ho gaya hai and how I'm gonna deal with it, you can deal with it for sure. You are much stronger. It is just the mind game. The mind starts playing tricks on you. Now it is up to you, whether you want to be controlled by your mind, or you want your mind to be in your control. Like they say, mind is a dangerous master and a beautiful slave. So
Correct.
make your mind your slave. Don't let it be your master.
Master. Correct,
What
correct, correct.
what
Very
I
nice.
would do.
All right, we come to the rapid fire section. I hope you are
Yay!
ready. The
Rapid
serious
fire.
part of the show is
It's
over.
over.
Is over, yeah.
Yeah.
The question answers is over. Now we have some fun. Okay. So favorite love song? Anyone?
सागर जैसी आंखों वाली, ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या?
Excellent. Okay. Three guilty pleasures.
Three,
Guilty pleasures.
three guilty pleasures. I love burgers.
Wow, okay.
I love shopping perfumes.
Uh-huh.
And even if I have less money sometimes, I would make sure that I spend it on clothes.
Okay.
I make sure that I first spend it on clothes.
By the way, guys, we call her the bling queen of our in our group, though. The bling bling
What?
queen. The bling
Bling queen.
queen. I'm surprised you don't have any bling on today.
I have a small bling. This is here to bling never leaves me.
Correct. Okay. One secret that you can share with us now.
One secret that I can
जो कभी
share.
secret हुआ करता था, now you can share with us.
Secret.
Yeah.
अच्छा इस पे थोड़ा लेट आ जाओ मेरा दिमाग नहीं चल रहा है अभी.
All right. Okay. Okay. Okay.
I'll come on.
One embarrassing experience of TJ Kamya.
देखिए मुझे अपने embarrassing moments याद नहीं
Come
रहते
on,
ज़्यादा.
it's fun. I mean, there has to be something.
Falling down somewhere, चढ़ते बढ़ते कहीं गिरा गई होंगी. ये तो हुआ होगा जरूर कहीं कॉन्सर्ट पे गिर गई होंगी. It happened.
Okay,
But
okay.
I can't remember it
Three
really clearly.
things, three things in Kamya's bags that you will always find.
Lipstick,
Uh-huh.
money,
Mm-hmm.
and my ID cards.
Right. Okay. Three things you can't stand in your daily life.
Dirty bed sheets.
That's one.
I hate dirty linens. Like I need to change my bed sheet every second day. And in my daily life, again you can say dirty towels also. I cannot wet towels, like people leave their wet towels on bed. I completely, it's like no, it's like a
No
big
for
no.
you, yeah.
And badly kept nails. Badly kept
Okay.
nails. And you know what? I've been seeing these horrendous big nails of women, like they have to, even if they have to hold something,
Yeah,
to
they
hold
have
it
to
like,
eat. Yeah, I mean
they have
it's
to apply
somewhat
something, they
annoying.
have to apply like this. It's, I really can't stand it. Like extra long nails, and
I mean, why do
I
you
feel,
have that long nails? Of course, it's your
I mean,
choice, but
you hold the
why?
phone like this. It's so
Why would you
funny.
do that? Exactly. Why would you do
Yeah.
that? Okay.
And um an unorganized almirah wardrobe.
Yeah, I think that's something even I can't
Yeah.
somehow.
Yeah.
Okay. One DJ crush. 11 साल में कोई तो होगा.
Yeah, I mean, I have mentioned it so many times, like on other chat show. But it's just a crush. I've never spoken to him. I don't know him personally.
That's okay.
I have only one picture of him with me, as in with me, when he was staying somewhere. But this is just like healthy, not something to make a big deal about.
Okay. So do you have the bottle of water and the glass with you by any chance? I had mentioned.
I have.
You have? Let's see your
I have.
glass. Let's see your glass. You know you have to fill the whole glass, right?
Whole glass.
At least the first one. At least your first answer, first wrong answer, you drink a whole glass of water.
Okay, so I feel okay.
Yeah.
First wrong answer.
One wrong answer, yeah. Right ones, you're left alone. Now we go to riddle me this, by the way. The IQ
Oh
test.
my God, बहुत सारे glass पानी पीने वाले हैं.
Okay. I am black when you buy me, red when you use me. Can you hear me?
I am black when you buy me, red when you use me,
And gray when you throw me. What am I?
grey when you,
Throw me.
black when you buy me.
You have
Red
10
when
seconds,
you-
huh? You have 6 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, you can drink up. Anyone in the audience who knows the answer? Anybody in the audience who wants to answer this question? Black when you buy me, I'm red when you use me, and gray when you throw me. Anybody? All right then.
Kiss me.
Well, it's called charcoal.
Charcoal. Charcoal?
Yeah, it's black when you buy it. When you burn it, it's red. And when you throw it, ashes are gray. Pani pile.
Mm.
You'll need more of this. So, pani
Good
pile.
one.
It's a one shot. Pani pile. Stay hydrated. Paroma also cursed me when I did this to her.
Okay.
Khatam kar le. Next one you can have shots. No worries. Fill kar le. We'll go to the next
nice.
question. Fill it. We'll go to the next question in the meantime. Fill your glass. You want a shot or you want the full glass?
But if I answer it wrong, right?
Yeah, so you can
Then
fill the glass. It's okay. Okay. I take off my clothes when you put on your clothes. And put on my clothes when you take off your clothes. What am I?
I put on my clothes when you take off your clothes.
Yeah.
Hanger.
Oh, sorry?
Hanger?
Correct. Okay, wow. Okay, third one. You shoot me, I don't die. You hang me, I still don't die. What am I?
You shoot me, I don't die. You hang me, I don't die.
Four seconds. Three. It's a picture right behind.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was very close. I was thinking wall hanging. I just couldn't mind and run.
Okay. What belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do?
What belongs to you?
But other people use it more than you do.
Belongs to you. Other people use it more than you. Well, I
2
doubt
seconds.
I had
Oh,
people.
sorry, 10 seconds up. Anybody in the audience who wants to answer this?
Phone?
Sile. नहीं.
वो तो खैर खुद ही यूज करती हूँ दूसरे के use करती हूँ।
Well, it's your name.
Oh yes, smart one.
Okay, the last one. Take away my first letter. Take away my second letter. Take away the rest of my letters. Yet I remain the same.
ठीक है मैं फर्स्ट लेट मतलब सब कुछ ले लो तब भी मैं एक जैसे ऐसे ही हूँ
2 seconds. 1.5. Sorry. तो पानी पी ले.
What is that?
It's a postman.
It's a
Postman. एक चिट्ठी ले लो, दो चिट्ठी ले लो, सारी चिट्ठी ले लो.
letter.
I am
Yeah,
still the
yeah.
same.
yeah. Postman. Yes.
पानी पी ले. Stay hydrated.
But Donna, I am sure if I were the host and I was asking you the same question, you also wouldn't have been able to answer. Because
Of course. It's a riddle, yeah. I mean, it's all brain teasers. So it's cool.
Yeah.
Which is why I'm making you hydrated. Stay hydrated.
I am now.
Okay. So we come to the time machine. It's a new, part of the game. But I give you a choice. You can choose to either talk to your future self or your past self. Who do you choose? Who do you want to talk to? Your future or your past?
I think past is past. I would go to the future.
Okay, so you have 30 seconds. You've lived your past, though. So yeah.
Live my past.
Yeah, right. So
change
so Exactly. So I give you 30 seconds to make a call to yourself and talk to yourself. And your time starts now.
Hello.
Tring, tring.
You, one stubborn woman, you never listen and you will never listen. You knew what you wanted to be and you became who you wanted to be. And let me tell you, I am so goddamn proud of who you have turned out to be. And remember, you are being loved and you will always be loved. And this is what I want to say. I don't want to take 30 seconds. Do you understand? Be like that.
That was a good one. Oh my goodness. Okay. You are funny, man, Gamya, I swear. But yeah, tell me, Kamya, people, they suffer from being confident. There are a lot of people who kind of have self-doubts, right?
Huh.
And Angel is laughing.
Hi, Ridhima. Hi, Angel.
Hi, Ridhima. Hello, hi, Angel. All right. So, there are people who literally kind of have problems of being confident. They kind of fear judgments. So, what's your take on it?
It's very easy for people to say be confident and confidence takes you to places. Yes, it does. But what we really fail to understand, what is confidence? It is just the ability to do things like that? No. It is basic. Where does confidence come from? It comes when we leave aside all our fears. When we
Right.
do things, whatever we have to do, we do it without fear. That's confidence. And confidence does not mean that you succeed in just one go. It may take you one go, two go, three goes, multiple times. But then confidence is remembering and knowing that you can fail, but you have the ability to rise. Like you have the tendency to fail. We all do. None of us have just
Right.
passed everything in just one go. So confidence is remembering that you may have the tendency to fall. What is more important to know? Do you have the ability to rise again?
Right. Failure is success of
Without,
fail fella.
yeah, without fearing the, what the problem is, the fear of failure. And
Correct. Correct.
fear of failure, why? Because what will people think of me, that I am a failure? So this kind of thing one has to remove from their system to gain that confidence. That is confidence. Confidence is not, okay, I can do this just like that. No, confidence is I have failed twice, thrice, and I've again done that. That's confidence.
I mean,
So
how do you weigh yourself on a scale of 1 to 10 in confidence?
10.
On that note, on that note,
you
let's hear you
you
sing a
have
song,
asked
Kamya.
me you have asked me how much do I rate. I don't know about others. I rate myself 10.
10 on 10. On that
Yeah,
note,
yeah, yeah.
let's hear you sing a song, Kamya.
Okay, I'll sing the same one which I sang earlier.
Done. Chalega.
That's
Done. Done.
I'll start from the middle.
Mm-hmm.
Hi.
कहीं से भी शुरू करो. And we will do the harmonies and the clickings and everything else.
ओ तू क्या जाने तेरी खातिर ना है बेताबी। तू क्या जाने देख रहा है कैसे कैसे ख्वाब। दिल को दीवाना तूने बनाया, इस दिल पर
मैं क्या सागर जैसी आंखों वाली ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या
सहरा है
है
या
या
के
चांद खिला
जुल्फ
जुल्फ
घनेरी
अंधेरी शाम है क्या
मगर
सागर जैसी आंखों वाली ये तो बता तेरा नाम है क्या That's a good one. That's a good one. Thank you. Kamya, now we have a little bit of a crowd question for you.
Hmm. Hmm.
People have been asking me, first of all, about your single life. Are you
Huh.
single? Are you dating? What's your status?
I think I'm in the process of just kissing the frogs.
Okay. or
I think the last one is Blair, maybe. The last one is Blair will turn out to be a priest. Until then, I'll keep dealing with frogs.
and when do you intend to get married? I think that's one question everybody's asking every DJ who's single. So,
Well, whenever that happens, I'm okay with that. Whenever that happens, provided I find the right frog, and I'm good with that.
who turns into Prince Charming?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good.
Okay. Okay. If you could go back 5 years, what would you change about your future?
If I go back 5,
5 years, what would you change about your future now?
not taking my music for granted.
Right. Okay. There was somebody who asked me about, about DJing, like how to get into DJing, and it was a question for you. So, what would we tell the audience about how to get into DJing?
Okay, so to enter DJing, number one, first of all, figure out, do you want to be a DJ? Why do you want to, and why do you want to be a DJ? Is it for
Correct.
short success, glamour, or is it something you really want to do? You don't have to be a DJ to be a DJ. Actually, your own, like my enthusiasm, my love for glamour and all that brought me into DJing, which I never thought. And networking is very important. Socializing is very important. Uh, you you know, people say make contacts. I would say make relationships. Build up
Correct. Correct.
relationships. Turn your contacts into relationships, because at the end of the day, yes, you may be on social media and you may have thousands of followers, but remember there are other people also who have thousands of followers just like you. So what is different about you in person? Because at the
Right.
end of the day, your goodwill with people, how you behave personally with people, will really get you far. So maintain your
Right.
relationship, and most importantly, focus. Be very sure of your music, of your performance, and never ever forget to pay attention to your music and your appearance. And by appearance, I not only mean your clothing, but how you talk, how you behave, what is your approach towards people? Are you really approachable? And don't do things if you don't want to do it. Don't be under pressure.
Just follow your heart.
If
Any
it
upcoming
works, if
shows?
it appeals to you, do that. If it doesn't, it's okay.
Correct. All right. Any upcoming shows?
Any upcoming shows? Well, I have been talking to people. It's still in the pipeline, but nothing has been confirmed yet. But I have other projects coming up, like uh, with the music labels and all. So yeah,
Right.
we all
Right.
know gigs are still not happening. It's still, it has just, lockdown has just opened up. So you know,
Just
club
opening up.
music.
Right. Right. It's going to take a little bit of time, I think, to kind of get back to
Yeah,
the whole scenario. Correct. Correct.
but the inquiries
Um,
have started dropping in now. Let's see anytime.
I also got a question that says, like, about trolling. You know, you had a show last year, so about trolling. How have you ever faced any, and what do you do when you face such a situation? You know.
Well, if it's an interesting trolling, I give it back.
No, but Kamya, there are people who, who can't give it back. You know, who people who can't talk, they suffer when they are called names, or when there's eve teasing, or when they are trolled, especially online. Like I'm sure, yes, like last year, what we've seen on the internet, people were going berserk with everybody. I think people were losing their minds. There were people who were also suicidal and stuff. You know, so how do you overcome situations like this?
Donna, we reach this situation where we feel so pressurized and we feel suicidal because we let those words of people who do not know us at all affect us. So, to
Correct.
begin with, number one, don't give power to anyone or anybody to put an effect on you, because they, once you give them that power, that okay, your words are affecting me, you are already a step,
That's it. Yeah.
you've taken a step towards being trolled further. Either you give it back, either you give it back. But if you can't give it back, because not everybody can give it back, then learn to tackle with it, manipulate. If don't let it play with your brains. At the end of the day, these are few bunch of losers who are sitting behind the computer screen and just typing for their sadistic pleasures.
Correct. Correct.
Nothing more than that. The more power you give them, the more they will thrive on that. Don't give them that power. Be yourself. I mean, how does it matter? Somebody who you don't know has written some bullshit about you. How does it matter? Does he know you? Does she know you? No.
Right.
I mean,
Right.
you need to see, we all are on social media, and we need to understand at some point one of us or some of us will be trolled, you know, and you
Correct.
have to prepare yourself how to deal with it. You can't say, okay, no, I will never be, people will not write bullshit about me. They will. There are some people who, enjoy this, and today it's me, tomorrow it can be anybody. How you keep your
Exactly.
mind being strong about it, that's what matters. Don't let it affect you, dude. Don't let it. I mean, something of that sort can push you towards suicide, then I think you need to work on your psychological constitution. You need to make it stronger.
That's so true. I mean, giving people the power to, uh, kind of make your mind work by what people say, that's
Yeah.
that's just giving your power to somebody else,
Imagine,
you
okay,
know?
boys can still give it back. Imagine girls or boys who are not able to give it. They can't talk to their parents about it because they'll think, okay, what will our parents do? They can't go to police because they think, okay, itna bada kuch hangama ho jayega. The, they can't do anything because there are many factors that stops them. In that situation, what is a better choice? Thinking about suicide or not thinking about trolling at all? You decide.
Exactly. The
And I
power is in
know,
your
and I know
hands, you know?
trolling, and I know trolling can be really, really brutal, Donna, and not everybody can handle it. Of course, it is very, very psychologically devastating. But then there will be many other devastating things in life we will go through.
And this is just a very tiny little small part of it.
This is this is the smallest part of it. Learn to deal with it. Be strong. Be stronger than your trollers.
That's a good one. All right, Kamini, do you remember your question that you did not answer as yet?
Secret.
One secret about you.
I am hopelessly romantic.
Ah,
It doesn't look like it from my face, but I am hopelessly
but are you
romantic.
also expressive in a similar way?
Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Not initially, but I would not. I mean, more than speaking, I would probably write a poetry or probably write something more magical, and then probably put it in my words also in text or something. But I'm hopelessly romantic.
I think, I see a lot of similarities.
Yeah, I mean, people don't believe looking at me. Oh, she can't be romantic. She's one,
Yeah, badass.
badass or whatever woman. She can't have emotions. She's so strict. But deep down inside, I am like that girl who's totally. I'm in love with romance. Trust me, I'm in love with romance.
Who's your favorite actor then? Was it Shah Rukh Khan?
No, I don't like
No?
his romance. No, 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 no. I don't like his romance.
Then whose romance do you like?
Uh, as such, I don't have an actor who I think is very, very romantic, because at the end of the day they are acting. They're not they're not actually romantic.
Right, right.
Romance, but yeah, the movie Romance, I really idolize that. I really idolize that. You're looking at this guy from a distance and crying and running towards him. I
Okay.
don't know, man. When you're walking, the guy is holding your hand and you turn back like this. This.
We have a
I
question from
really
the
love it.
audience who asks, Ma'am, is it important to do a course of DJing? That's by Jeet.
Uh, Hi, Jeet. You don't have to do a course, but make sure that your basics are, you're well versed with your basics are correct. And course in the sense, you need somebody to teach you, right? So whoever is teaching you, just make sure that your basics are totally in place. आपके basics ठीक होंगे, आप आगे भी learn कर लेंगे. But अपने basics पे ध्यान देना, so that is important. Wherever you learn
Yes.
it from. You can learn it on your own as well. I would not say that you have to go to a DJ school or something, but going to an institution really makes you disciplined and really makes you
Right.
understand things at a very micro level, at a deeper level. So whatever works for you, just that your basics should be very
Also, you
clear.
get sound with your technicalities, which is so
Yes,
important
yes,
in
exactly,
DJing.
exactly,
It's very important in
exactly.
DJing. Correct. Correct. All right, Kamya, we are almost towards the end of our show. So, do you want to say something to our audience?
That I really love you and keep watching the Donna show every Friday because tomorrow, Friday, new guests will come and keep showering your love on me like this. And I have always loved when people have loved me, and I love you back. And in life, remember, nothing is permanent. Never ever give up, no matter what the situation is, because you will get through. And remember, to get through, you have to go through. So remember this one thing in life and never give up. I love you.
Thank you so much, Kamya. Thanks a ton for being on my show, and it's been a pleasure hosting you as well. And
Thank you.
I really hope I get to see you soon. It's just
I
been
really
so
hope we
long.
got some moments and food party.
Yeah.
I really hope. And thank you so much, Donna, for such a warm welcome and from the beginning till the end, hosting me, giving me this opportunity to uh, speak my heart out and educate whosoever wants to learn. And you are doing a fabulous job. Keep
Thank you
going.
so much. Thank you so much.
And let's take a selfie. Let's take a
Yeah,
selfie with this.
exactly. Yeah. आप ले रहे हो? आप ले लो.
You take it and far.
Okay. Yeah. Wow. Pretty
Yay!
you.
So thank you so much, Donna. I look
Yeah, it's a
forward to seeing you
pleasure.
in the next episode with your guests, and
Thank
I'm
you
sure it's
so
going to
much,
be
Kamya.
fun. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being on my show. I am so happy. Thanks a ton.
Thank you, Donna. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bye.
Bye, Kamya. All right, guys, that was the end of our second episode with DJ Kamya, and we have another special guest next week. So stay tuned, and thank you so much for watching The Donna Show. This is me, DJ Donna, signing off for now, but please stay safe, guys, and don't forget to wear your masks. And please, guys, get vaccinated because it's important that we all get vaccinated and we are back on the road and back traveling and leading our normal life yet again. But it won't be possible before and until we get vaccinated. So please, guys, go ahead, get vaccinated, wear your mask, stay sanitized, and be happy. For now, it's me, DJ Donna, saying good night and God bless. And I shall see you next week, same time, same place, on The Donna Show on Instagram Live at 6 p.m. every Friday. For now, take care. Love you guys.